Good morning and welcome. Here we are, Wednesday, the 10th of November 2021 for the daily intuitive reading. Today I'm using the medicine cards and we'll see what they have to offer us today. First card up, the Lynx, Secrets. Second card up, Frog. Okay, the third card up is the Horse, but his contrary, reversed. The horse is freedom, but it's come out in the reversed mode. Okay, we'll do a fourth one. Okay, also come out reversed. Black Panther, but once again in the contrary position. So we'll just see what they have to offer us today. Okay, the Lynx, the knower of secrets. He's not the keeper of secrets. He's the knower of secrets. Okay, so he can lead you to inner knowledge and expose the inner secrets that you have and connect you with lost community of brotherhood and sisterhood. And the Lynx is often related to information coming to you through omens and revelations. So things will be revealed to you, the veil will be removed. You move swiftly through the night, seeing all that's hidden. So you're not actually, the Lynx isn't carrying the secrets. The secrets are within you, but the Lynx energy allows you to reveal those secrets to yourself and to perhaps connect with your soul family that you haven't yet connected with, or connect with some body with whom you've had a really strong past life connection. Or you may even join a group of a group of esoteric study, a group that studies the esoteric and the spiritual side of things. You may start to study that or to join a group looking into the more spiritual and esoteric side of things. You might actually start to create your own rituals and connect with your secrets in that way. You might choose to do a journey of discovery and enlightenment. The frog signifies rain. So I think we're in for a bit of rain at the moment. But not only that, on another level, the frog is about replenishment, about time out, about cleansing yourself of any person, place or thing that doesn't contribute to your new state of being, your new state of serenity and replenishment. So a lot of the secrets are being revealed. It's like taking quiet time, allowing these secrets to be revealed to you, these secrets that are within you, within your cellular memory, are going to be opened up to you and exposed and connect you with inner knowings and inner strength that you had lost connection with. And the frog energy is bringing this ability to cleanse away, to wash away the dirt, the mud, and come out into the clear spring water and be able to swim and wash all that negativity and that doesn't serve you away from you. Normally the horse is about power and freedom, but it's contrary at the moment. So it's more about finding balance and reclaiming your power. There may be people around you that have been having power over or trying to have power over you. You may have been exerting your power a little bit forcefully. Could be either one. Just need to look at that. Untangle yourself from that tangle that you've got yourself in over power. Free yourself from the struggle. Be a little bit compassionate and understanding, and maybe look at where those people that have been trying to have power over you are coming from, where the fact that they're insecure and that's why they need to put the power over you. That way you can deal with it and you can stop it from happening from a compassionate level without you being over aggressive about it, because aggression only creates more aggression and more resistance. Nothing is black and white. There are always grey areas and areas in between. So just be careful not to see things as black and white. See that things can be balanced and blended, and they'll work quite well when they are. It's about having unity as well. Bringing yourself together, all areas of yourself, bringing yourself together and standing in your power in a loving and positive way. And, just like I said, untangling yourself from that murk and that mud. You've been buried down a bit, you've been overwhelmed by situations or people around you where you have perhaps felt powerless. And in your sense of being powerless, you may have actually been transferring that to others and trying to have power over others without actually realising it. So it's time to take stock now and really look at that and look at the power over issue and allow everybody to be unified and stand in your power, but don't stand over others. And don't allow others to stand over you. You're worthy and you have just as much right and ability and deserve as much respect as anybody else does. Now you've got then the panther, the mountain, the black mountain panther. He also is reversed, and the panther, black panther, stands for embracing the unknown and letting go of negative people, limiting thoughts, and fear of being alone. Finding the middle ground. It's about finding the middle ground, not being afraid to go into the void and look at things, look at the big picture. Don't be afraid to go into the void. Just think of snuggling into the panther's beautiful, sleek, soft fur, because the panther is from that place of unknown, that place that can reveal things to you if you don't become too fearful to enter. To make that quiet space and make the time to be. Be a human being, not a human doing. So they're all connected there. So that's the message for today. Secrets being revealed, cleansing. You might want to take a long, luxurious bath. Possibility of quite a lot of rain coming our way. The frog brings rain. He also brings the cleansing waters that wash away all the dross and whatever we don't need. And also then finding balance, balancing out that energy, not being afraid to go into the void and face your fears, and coming out so much stronger and revitalized and new and starting on a new path. So that's what they've got to offer us today. Unusual to have those two last cards in the contrary position. Perhaps, like the horses, he often to me represents, freedom and flashing his tail and shaking his head and his mane flying everywhere. And in the contrary position, you've perhaps been feeling a little bit trapped and restricted. But it's this period of quiet that you need to go through. Once you've been through that, then you can run wild and free. But it's all positive and it's all bringing out the good things. And you're finding these connections that you didn't know were there as well, opening up to those connections of brother and sisterhood that you didn't actually know were there, but you'll find things will open up in that way to you. Okay, so now we'll do our moon card affirmation, and I'll think about which other cards we'll do this morning. See what it brings us. So great spirits really there guiding us at the moment and helping us go within and see what it is we need to see from within. Okay, we've had two fly out at us this morning. So we'll look at both of them quickly. We mightn't have time for the other card, but we'll see. Okay, that's the first one. I am loved beyond measure. I am loved beyond measure. Good thing to remember when going through a transformative stage. Oh, we had this one yesterday, I think, too. So, beauty rises my vibration. I seek it out for healing and joy. Okay. They're both quite appropriate for the cards today. Good affirmations. We'll just do a Buddha card today, I think, quickly. Hope you've enjoyed this reading. If you have, please hit the thumbs up, share and subscribe. Okay, the card that popped out at us today, the Buddha card, is this one. It says, if you propose to speak, always ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? If you propose to speak, always ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? And is it kind? Okay, good words to finish on. So that's it for today. Please hit the subscribe button and share. Love and blessings. Be back tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.